guess you could call this like a decluttering video. I don't know, but I highly doubt anybody will be interested in these, but I'm just making this video for myself because I want to go back and look back at the things that really made me happy. For example, the Flower Beauty, what happened to them? I tried to research what had happened to the company, and there are no information whatsoever. But I'm telling you, these are the best foundations I've ever used. And also the concealer, it's the best. As far as the highlighters are concerned, yeah, I try to conserve it, you know, because I don't want to use it up, run out of it, and I'm just dumb like that. Anyway, let me see. The next one is the Pacifica Beauty. It's kind of spread out because, I don't know, I was just trying to fit it into this area here, but they are also very good. I kind of like this palette right here because it's all in one. It has muted blush, it has the bronzer, the highlighter, and yeah, 2 highlighters. And what else is there? The Pacifica setting powders. One of them is matte, this bottom one here, and this one is the luminous one. It has a luminous finish, and they smell really nice. The Physicians Formula lip, it's a matte gloss, but it does not dry out the lips, and it doesn't feel tacky. It does not feel tight. It's perfect. What happened? What happened? Okay, this e.l.f. here, well, we have a lot of e.l.f., so I'm happy about that. These are just, they have been expired a long time ago. And then this is the Wet n Wild. This did not even sell at the drugstore. It was, I found it at Five Below. So I was like, okay, let's try it. This one is way expired because I bought 2 or 3 bottles, and then I totally forgot about this. It hasn't even been opened, but I know it's been years. So I don't know if you can tell, but it gives off a really nice, it's not glittery, it's not chunky, it's just right. It's just perfect. This is back to Flower Beauty again. Anyway, I don't know what happened. Why? All right, so here are some of the things that I'm going to be letting go of. Oh my goodness, it's so painful for me because I really love these. I hope they come up with something similar. So anyway, I use these here for weddings. When I used to do makeup for a wedding, I would scrape off the sides of it, you know, to make sure it's not contaminated. And sometimes I would mix it in with other colors to suit the skin tone. So anyway, this one is the Maybelline set, and then this one is the Wet n Wild. Oh, I love these. I think one of my favorites here is the Sugar Plum. It's really pretty. I think they still have it. They do have the Mega Last. Is it Mega Last? Is it? I don't remember what it's called. Another favorite of mine is, and it's not here, it's Cinnabon or Cinnabar or something like that. Yeah, but they also have that in the new formula. And another one that's kind of painful to let go of are these Physicians Formula ones. I don't know why they stopped making them, but these are so good because it doesn't dry out the lips. And my lips get dried very easily. They crack and peel, flake easily, and these does not do that. So, but I'm gonna let that go. Oh, I think one of these is Cinnabon. Is it? No, Spiked with Rum, and then some orange color. And then we also have, hold on, because I'm trying to put the cover on this one. I don't want to. This one is my favorite right here. What is this one called again? It's called 2 a.m. Call Time. Oh, it's not focusing, but you know, 2 a.m. Call Time. My #1 favorite. And then it came in a kind of a matte, yeah, it is a matte balm. And this one is called Shameless. All right, yeah, pardon my nails. I've been cleaning out the room. So I'm gonna say bye to these. Oh, this one is kind of similar to the Snow White, and so that's gonna go. Kiko, I loved it because when we went to visit Italy, I picked this up, and it was a very nice muted color, very natural. This Marc Jacobs mascara. This one is kind of a red one. Let me open it. It looks like that. So it's kind of like a reddish brownish one. It's really old, so this too is gonna go. What color is this? This one is called Garnet Omega Lash. This here is an old Maybelline mascara lash stylist, but I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna clean it because the brush is really nice. I haven't seen a brush like this I haven't seen this brush in a long time. Either that or I've just been away from the cosmetic section. So that's it.